Have you ever felt like the days are slipping through your fingers? Working hard, but not for yourself? Like your life is being spent on someone else's dreams, while yours are still waiting, pushed to the side. That feeling of emptiness, of a routine without purpose, can be painful. But you're not alone. There's still time to change course. That's why today, I want to show you a way out. A list of 20 machines that could become the beginning of something of your own, something that belongs to you. With them, you can start a business from home, begin generating real income, and take that first step toward the financial freedom you long for. Now then, before we begin the list, where can you get these machines? Easy, on platforms like Alibaba or AliExpress. Just make sure to get proper advice and check the reviews so you can buy safely. If you're not familiar with importing, there are agencies that help you with purchasing and shipping. You can find them on Google or Instagram from your country. That said, let's begin. Number 1. Machine to customize phone cases. 90% of people over 15 years old have something in common. They use cell phones, and almost all of them are looking for the same thing: to protect them. However, in markets and small shops, many stalls lose sales because they offer generic products without a distinctive touch. This is where this machine comes in, designed to customize phone cases with names, phrases, or unique designs, using sublimation or direct printing techniques. With an investment between $200 and $1,500 plus a computer, a printer, and heat presses, you can start creating unique cases that stand out. Each case costs you approximately $1, and you can sell it for between $5 and $10. If you produce 1,000 units per month, you could generate between $3,000 and $6,000 in income. You just need to be creative. It's time to move on to the next machine, which meets a vital need. Number 2. Plastic bottle making machine. Around the world, many beverage vendors lose sales because containers are expensive, fragile, or hard to find. To solve that problem, there's a machine that molds bottles from preforms using heat. Its price is around $3,500 depending on the model. To get into this business, you should know that each bottle costs only 5 cents and can be sold for about 15 to 25 cents. If you produce about 20,000 pieces per month, a standard output for these machines, you could generate around $3,000 in monthly profit. Plus, if you add custom labels for juices and soft drinks, I assure you your sales will multiply exponentially, leaving your wallet very happy. If bottles are essential, food is even more so. That's why the next machine is perfect. Number 3. Food dehydrator machine. In cities, more and more people are looking for healthy snacks that don't rely on expensive preservatives and also have a good shelf life. For that, this machine is ideal. It dehydrates fruits like apples or vegetables like carrots using controlled heat, allowing you to preserve the flavor and nutrients. Its price ranges between $500 and $700 depending on the model, and it can process several kilos per batch. Each 100-gram bag of fruits or vegetables costs you about 50 cents to produce and can be sold for between $2 and $3. If you produce about 1,500 bags per month, you could generate between $3,000 and $4,500. With this machine, you can easily recover your investment because any combination of dried fruits will work, especially if you add citrus or spicy flavors. These snacks take care of the body, but many people also want to relax after a long day, and the next machine is made for that. Number 4. Handmade incense making machine. In many wellness centers, what's missing is unique, affordable, locally produced incense. Most of the options available are imported and expensive. This machine offers a profitable alternative. It allows you to mold sticks or cones using a mix of wood powders, essential oils, and water. Its price starts at around $800 and it can produce about 500 sticks per hour. You'll sell them by the dozen for $1 or $2, costing you less than 30 cents. With steady production, the profits can be very good. The great thing about this machine is that you can sell the product practically anywhere. This incense creates a calm atmosphere, but people always crave something to eat, and the next machine is perfect for that. Number 5. Plantain chips production machine. In the afternoons, many people look for affordable snacks to satisfy their cravings, and this machine is made for that. It automatically slices green plantains into ready-to-fry or dehydrate pieces, and some models even include automatic fryers to speed up the process. The initial investment ranges from $1,000 to $7,000 depending on the model and its capacity. Each 100-gram bag costs you around 40 cents to produce and can be sold for $1 to $2. With a production of 3,000 bags per month, you generate more than $3,000. Everyone loves plantains. Chips with sea salt, for example, sell very well and will be easy to market. Although not everything in life is about cravings, many people are looking for something more essential like affordable building materials, and the next machine is perfect for that. Number 6. Cement brickmaking machine. In many areas, families face a common challenge. They can't find affordable bricks to build their homes, fences, or walls. This machine offers a practical and profitable solution. With it, you can mix cement, sand, and water to make between 100 and 1,000 bricks per day, even without prior experience. The cost of the machine ranges from $2,000 to $6,000 depending on whether it's a manual or hydraulic model. Each brick costs about 10 cents and sells for 30 to 50 cents. If you manage to produce 12,000 pieces a month, you could generate up to $6,000. Bricks are highly sought after by masons and small builders, and if you make good bricks, you won't be short on clients. And while those bricks help build walls, in markets the demand is different. Fresh, natural drinks. The next machine knows it and delivers the juice everyone wants to try. Number 7. Sugarcane juice extractor machine. In markets, many vendors don't have natural drinks that are affordable enough to compete with commercial sodas. For that, this machine is a great ally. It squeezes sugarcane using steel rollers and is available in manual or electric versions. Its price is about $900. Breaking down the business, each liter of juice costs about 20 cents to produce and sells for between $1 and $2. If you work daily, the profits can be quite attractive. A touch of citrus, for example, makes it even more appealing in busy plazas or fairs. Plus, the sugarcane pulp doesn't go to waste. It can be sold to paper factories or used as compost. Before we continue with the next machine, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now then, let's continue. Number 8. Sock knitting machine. If there's one thing everyone wears, it's socks. And this machine allows you to knit unique pairs with custom designs. With a price that ranges from $2,000 to $8,000, you can manufacture socks from your own backyard. In terms of production, each pair costs about 50 cents to make and can be sold for between $1 and $2. If you maintain steady production, the profits can be quite attractive. For example, designs with school colors or institutional emblems are in high demand, and you can also offer them to sports clubs, stores, or even form partnerships to sell wholesale. Being a daily use product with low production cost, it's an excellent option to start a business. And if this machine surprised you, the next one won't fall short, because it addresses an ecological need. Number 9. Paper bag making machine. In many shops, owners constantly invest in plastic bags that, besides being costly, harm the environment. For them, this machine represents an ecological and profitable solution. It cuts, folds, and glues recycled or craft paper to produce reusable bags. Its price is around $17,000. Yes, it's the most expensive one on this list, but it's also one of the most profitable markets to invest in. Depending on the model, it can produce more than 1,000 bags per day. Each one costs about 10 cents and can sell for up to 50 cents. With a monthly production of 15,000 units, it's possible to generate $7,000. If you also offer designs with store logos, you'll attract more buyers looking to enhance their brand image. Without a doubt, this machine is a 10 out of 10. But let's go back to the construction sector with the next machine. Number 10. Nail making machine. In construction stores, customers are always looking for affordable, versatile, and durable nails. And this machine is perfect for meeting that demand. It transforms steel wire into thousands of nails per day. With a cost of $2,000, it's ideal for starting a business. Every 100 nails produced cost $1, and you can sell them for up to $5. With a monthly production of 120,000 units, profits can reach $6,000. You can offer your products to hardware stores, construction companies, or directly to ongoing projects, expanding your reach with regular deliveries. Without a doubt, these nails can generate great profits. But let's return to the world of food. Number 11. Homemade granola making machine. In offices, many employees are looking for quick breakfasts that don't fall into the junk food category. For them, this machine is an excellent solution. It mixes and toasts oats, nuts, honey, and other healthy ingredients, allowing you to produce between 10 and 100 kilos of granola per day. As for its price, it ranges from $1,000 to $3,500, depending on its capacity and level of automation. The cost per kilo is around $1.5, and it can be sold for $5, generating attractive margins, especially if sold in bulk. Combinations with dried fruits are very popular in health food and natural stores. With low cost and long shelf life, this is a business that brings in solid income. Granola is delicious, and there will always be someone who buys it. But the next machine meets a need found in almost every household in the world. Curtains. Number 12. Automated sewing machine for curtains. Curtains not only provide privacy, they also protect from the sun. That's why they're found in practically every home. And that's where you can find a good business opportunity. This machine, whether mechanical or electronic, allows you to make curtains using thick fabrics with ease. Its price is around $3,000. Each piece can cost you between $1 and $5 in materials and be sold for prices ranging from $5 to $15. If you produce 300 per month, you could generate over $2,000 in monthly income. But programmable machines don't only exist for curtains. There are also ones for uniforms, seat belts, and more. And if these machines can be programmed to meet customer preferences, the next machine is made to create memories. Number 13. Pin making machine. At events, organizers often face a problem. They don't have affordable souvenirs that attendees will easily buy. That's what the automatic pin press is for. It allows you to make custom pins in seconds with very little effort. Its price is around $2,600. In terms of production, each pin costs you only 10 cents, and you can sell them for up to $1. If you produce more than 3,000 per month, you would have a very good source of income. Designs with local logos are especially popular at fairs and festivals. The best part is that you can sell them to schools, companies, or directly at events. Farms have a constant need, feeding their animals, and the next machine is made for that. Number 14. Animal feed production machine. On farms, one of the main expenses for breeders is animal feed, which tends to be costly. To face this challenge, there's a machine that mixes corn, soy, and minerals, producing up to 100 kilos per hour with a small machine. Its price is around $600 depending on the model. Each kilo produced costs approximately 30 cents, and out on the market, its price is between $1 and $2. If you manage to produce 2,000 kilos per month, you'll earn good profits. Specialized blends for poultry are in high demand, especially by small farms. Let's stay on the farm because the next machine meets another one of its needs. Number 15. Egg tray making machine. Eggs are a staple food, but transporting them is a challenge because of how fragile they are. To solve this problem, there's a machine that shreds recycled paper and molds it into trays. With a price of about $3,000, this machine can produce hundreds of trays per day. Each one costs only 5 cents and can be sold for up to 25 cents. With steady production, profits can be very attractive. You can sell directly to markets, farms, or even wholesalers, expanding your reach with bulk deliveries. Costs remain low and eggs will never go out of style. That said, let's move on to the next machine. Number 16. Pizza making machine. In many neighborhoods, families are looking for a quick, tasty food option that's perfect for sharing at night. For that, this oven is ideal for preparing crispy homemade pizzas. Its price ranges from $300 to $4,000 depending on the model. A medium pizza has an approximate cost of $2 in its basic version and can be sold for up to $6. By using quality ingredients, you'll have good customers and recurring profits. Pizza never fails as a food business, but the next machine I'll show you is perfect for after enjoying a pizza. Number 17. Coffee grinding machine. If there's one thing many people want, it's a fresh cup of coffee. But there are few options for truly good artisanal coffee. For that, this machine is the perfect ally. It grinds beans to prepare 100% pure coffee and can process up to 5 kilos per hour. As for its price, it ranges from $300 to $2,000 depending on the model. Each kilo of coffee beans costs approximately $3 and can be sold ground for up to $8. If you manage to process 600 kilos per month, you could generate $4,000 in revenue. To stand out, you can offer blends with a variety of spices, as well as create unique packaging. And yes, coffee always has a place in our routine. The next machine also leaves a mark, creating objects designed to last a lifetime. Number 18. Wood lathe. In gift shops, there's often a lack of handmade products that are affordable and don't depend on expensive imports. This is where this machine comes in. A lathe, manual or electric, capable of spinning and carving wood to create bowls, toys, or decorations with great detail. With an investment of $500, you can get your machine, although there are more expensive ones depending on the model and its features. To crunch the numbers, keep in mind that each piece you make costs between $2 and $5. That includes the wood, tools, and even electricity. Each piece can be sold for $10 to $20. With consistent production, monthly profits can be quite attractive. Wood decorations, especially themed ones for parties, draw attention, especially if you sell at markets or fairs. Let's stay in the world of wood for the next machine. Number 19. Firewood splitting machine. Many restaurants in the city still cook with firewood, but getting it isn't always easy. And that's where this machine comes in, whether hydraulic or electric, designed to cut logs quickly and efficiently. Its price starts at $600, but it can cost more depending on the model. The production cost per cubic meter of firewood is around $10, purchased from suppliers. After processing, it can be sold for $30 to $50. If you manage to distribute about 80 cubic meters per month, profits can reach over $2,000. Firewood for stoves and fireplaces is in high demand in households that use these systems, especially during cold seasons. And now, to finish off this list, the next machine is made to make money. Number 20. Popsicle-making machine. In summer, or in countries where sun and heat are part of everyday life, there's one thing that never fails: the craving for ice cream. However, many vendors lose sales because they don't have frozen treats that can truly withstand the heat. This machine solves that problem by quickly freezing fruits like strawberry or sugar-free mixes using stainless steel molds. Its price ranges from $700 to $2,500 depending on capacity and level of automation. Each popsicle costs around 30 cents to make and can be sold for between $1 and $2. If you produce daily, profits are steady and the return is fast. Classic flavors like strawberry work very well in plazas or crowded places. These popsicles satisfy cravings on hot days, but many customers also look for healthy snacks, and these are the 20 machines that can make you a lot of money. If you want to scale the business with any of these ideas, my recommendation is to focus on growing on social media. Also, create a cost structure to offer wholesale pricing for the products made with the machine you choose. And above all, stay focused. Maybe getting customers will be hard at first, but once you succeed, profits will become your daily bread. Now tell me, which of these machines would you choose? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you soon.